being harassed by collection agencies? Some debt collectors use illegal tactics in order to intimidate the consumer into paying a debt that is non-existent or uncollectible. We at Consumer Defense USA challenge those agencies, and if they retreat, we get them to number 1, stop the harassing phone calls, and number 2, delete the item from your credit report. And all this is free, as we refer these cases only to attorneys that accept these cases on a contingency basis. This means you pay nothing to fix your credit. Call us today or chat with us online.